Today, we're unboxing two stunning Seiko Presage limited edition watches, which are a part of Seiko's Star Bar lineup. This one here is the Presage SSA 455J1, and as you can already see, the dial is absolutely magnificent. I'm not sure there's anything quite like it. This one is inspired by the Star Bar original cocktail, Illumine, which means to light up, and I think this watch embodies that perfectly. We have a truly unique open heart display here. However, calling it an open heart is a bit of an understatement, as we can see through almost half of the dial with these super interesting cutouts that emanate from the 9 o'clock marker. With this see-through dial, we can see most of the movement, including the balance wheel whirring around and various other wheels and pinions, as well as some of the 24 jewels. Now, this being a Presage model, that movement is the 4R72 caliber with 41 hours of power reserve. For the parts of the dial that aren't cut out, there's this snowflake or paintbrush texture applied in a creamy white color. This is absolutely a sight to behold as it catches the light and brings the dial to life. This, as a dress watch, would be absolutely stunning, and I can guarantee you'd be turning heads while wearing this one. Okay, case size on these is 40.5 millimeters with a lug to lug of 47.5 millimeters and a thickness of 11.6 millimeters. And if you can't get enough of that movement, flip it over to see the exhibition case back. A 3-fold clasp with a push button release keeps this beauty on your wrist, and a smooth black leather strap comes included with this brownish colored stitching. Combining all this together and you've got a beautiful watch. Alright. And the next one in this series is the SSA 457J1 Red Brick Presage. The main difference in this one is the red and gold color scheme with gold hands and hour markers and a deep red watch face. This red dial does not include that same paintbrush texture as the previous watch, but it does have a subtle sunburst appearance to it. In my opinion, this watch looks a little bit better than the previous, and it's purely because of the gold hands and markers matching the gold colored movement. It all just looks like a cohesive work of art. That being said, both of these watches are absolutely gorgeous and will serve you well for years to come. Of course, with any Seiko Presage, you know you're getting a high quality dress watch, which you should expect at this price point. Like I said earlier, these are limited edition pieces with 5,000 of each being made. So if you want to pick one up, be quick to click the link in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Which one are you picking? The snowflake dialed Illumine or the classy red brick? Let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for more watch content. Check out our social pages too with links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.